I don't know. I'm gonna put my shit right there.
Welcome back, my heroes. The company sent me over. Said they want me to start up #2. Starring Brandon F. Campbell. Let's get started.
What's going on, bro? Boiler Man? Boiler Man. Yeah.
So, you went to Boiler Room, right?
Yeah.
It's the basement.
Yeah, I know, I've been here. But where's the super at?
He's on the office.
Alright, he's in the office downstairs?
They sent me in. Said they wanted me to start up boiler #2. But I don't even know why boiler 2 is off. Or why I'm even starting it, or why I even have to start it. The first thing is to figure that out. Gotta find a super. Communication is key. Can't even find the light switch. Let's go look for the super.
Soup!
Who's this?
You know the super? No. Okay, I say, did they change the super? Damn! Well, I'm the boiler man.
Yeah.
I gotta start on #2. What did they do to
Well,
#2?
I don't know because I'm here for other department and then
That's why I want to ask the super. Where's he at?
he just walking around. You got his number because
I
don't
do.
got neither. You should call him.
All right, I call him. Thank you, brother.
No.
Let's go to the front.
So yeah, they want me to call him. So let's get the front to call him.
Can you call the super? He's not downstairs.
So, is that Boiler?
Yeah.
What should I say?
Tell him the boiler man wants to ask you a question. That's right.
You don't
thought-
see the downstairs?
I saw some other guy, but he said to call the super.
Before I try to start this boiler up, I want to know what's going on. Clearly, I have no idea.
Hey, Soup.
Yeah.
How you doing? They sent me here to start up boiler #2. I just want to know what was done to boiler #2.
Well, ask your company. I don't know what was up.
Oh, I thought maybe there was some big problem and why they sent me over to start it.
So please get in touch with Jeff.
I got you.
For the details.
I got you. All right, bye.
Thank you.
So I just called Jeff,
So they did a cleaning,
the boss.
and I just gotta start the boiler up after cleaning. That's not bad.
Apparently, boiler 2 was clean, opened up and clean. So I figured,
But where's the light though?
just gotta start it up.
backwards ass light.
Yeah, that light seems to be upside down. That's why I didn't recognize. I thought it was on this whole time. That's my gas train.
Wants to make sure the low gas set.
That's the low gas pressure switch.
Which it is not.
The low gas pressure switch is the first pressure switch on the gas train. That's the one that proves that there's gas there. So the gas comes in and pushes it up and activates it. That's why it's normally open. Because once the gas hits it,
So
it
my
closes
low gas
it.
pressure switch is now set to 10.
The
That
high
is my
gas.
low gas pressure switch. This is my high. Start it up. Might have to make adjustments. Hopefully not. Why are you not starting?
So now we gotta see why this boiler's not running, or why starting
Why is
rather.
this boiler not starting?
Why is this boiler not starting?
Boiler on, gas. Maybe because this one's on lead.
So let's take this one off lead.
Turn this one off. See if this one starts up. Set up my Testo while we wait.
Some buildings can't run both boilers at the same time. I forget sometimes which building does what.
And then maybe if I put this one on lead. Lead. There it goes.
There we go. I always tell the super, never worry, the boiler man's here. If any problem happens, at least I'm here.
We're gonna start with low fire first.
With gas,
Flame.
I start with low fire first
Flame looks kind of crazy and suspect.
to make it safe. But I usually like to start with high fire. I like to start with high fire to regulate the gas pressure.
I knew that flame was suspect. We got 9 inches of gas coming in. I might cut that gas down to bring that air up a little bit. Let me check the flame, see how the flame looks. The flame looks too big. Not too bad. Okay. Cut it down a little bit. Right. High fire is good, but cut it at the butterfly. If high fire is bad, we'll regulate it at the regulator, and maybe that will fix low fire. Alright, right now we're in high fire. Our numbers went back down. Let's see how high fire is looking.
When you're in high fire, the way to adjust high fire is through the regulator at the gas valve. You gotta think about it. High fire is
High
all
fire is
gas.
okay. So that means we cut it from the butterfly.
The butterfly should be 75 to 100% open right now.
I can even take away some gas. We're gonna see what it does first. If these numbers come down, then I'll leave it. They're coming down. I'm definitely gonna cut it at the butterfly. I can even add some gas if I wanted to. But I'm gonna leave it.
Now I'm just talking shit.
These are not for like regulation purposes. This is just for safe running.
Gotta take efficiency when dealing with gas. You can't eye gas.
So now we gotta bring it down to low and fix low fire. Low fire is crazy PPMs.
So
We have
now,
no air, no oxygen, so we're gonna cut it at the butterfly, give less gas at the butterfly. That's what we're gonna do.
on low fire,
Yeah, I can definitely give it less.
you adjust gas at the butterfly, not the regulator.
Right now.
There's 2 ways to adjust a Cleaver Brooks. That screw that you see me unscrewing, or the camshaft. I ain't want to do the camshaft because it's all the way pushed down. It's at its max. So I'd rather go at the butterfly. So as I was adjusting the butterfly, like I said, it's at its max. I can't really adjust it. So I decided to adjust the air and give it more air, because giving it more air will cut down the gas. The same way, giving it more gas will cut down the air. That's the balance between the air and gas mixture. So I want to give it more air to clean it up.
still bad. We're gonna see if we made any kind of a difference.
It should make a difference. Now I'm looking at my ppms and my oxygen.
A little bit better. I can work with that.
I like to keep
Some more air.
on low fire my oxygen
So right now it's
about
4.2,
6%.
4.3, 163. Look, it's coming down. It's coming down. Hold up. It's coming down. Let's tighten it up. It's coming down. It's coming down. Let's tighten it up.
Now tightening it up might make a little more tiny adjustment added to it, which might help. Sometimes it doesn't.
There you go. Tighten it, did change it. We made it better. Perfect.
Pretty much done. We started it up.
Now let's check high before we go. We know low fire is good. Now we're gonna check high fire again.
I like to check high after checking
Alright, we're
low.
at high fire. Let's check high fire real quick.
Because now, you know, we made some air adjustments, so making sure that the air adjustments that we made doesn't affect high fire. Just letting the numbers do what it do.
High fire is good.
And this is before
Go.
I got the Ecom. Now I got the Ecom.
Want to sign real quick?
There goes the Super.
So how was it? It was good.
He knows something. First place he goes, the valves. He must have been aware of it.
What was that? What the hell was that? No. Nobody told me to.
That's what I was saying.
This is why I called and asked.
These are closed.
Nobody told me no.
The steam is closed.
I thought they said it was a
Feeding-
cleaning.
The feeding is closed. Everything is closed.
Could have caused a dry fire,
So
but
now, thank you for the super. He told me all the valves were closed. That's kind of why we went off.
the boiler would have never
So now
started
we open up all these valves.
if there was no water in the boiler. And I
It was
checked
Gucci with this
the gauge to
steam
make
valve,
sure there was water in
which
the
somebody would
boiler.
have told me that these valves were closed.
So I knew we was okay.
Alright, so I had to open up this valve here, open up these two valves, and these two, to let the coil do its thing. These are my feed valves to allow the boiler to get fed water. We're good here. You got to hit the pressure control. This one. We're good here.
Gotta make sure everything's good now, right? Got everything under control now. I wish I had better communication, but you know, I guess it was my fault. I should have been more aware. I should have been more conscious. But nothing went wrong. Everything still was copacetic. Now to get my ticket signed.
Alright, bro.
Gotta find a
You sign my
super.
ticket? I'll get the doorman to sign. Thank you, brother. Hit me up.
Hopefully the doorman can sign and we can get up out of here. All this boiler number 2 and all this ringing bells driving me crazy.
Sorry, bro. You sign my ticket? Boiler man.
You done?
Yeah.
Call the guy.
Nah, this doorman, it's legit. He was playing with the baby and just went straight into doorman mode. He called the super. Super said he wanted to see me. But guess what? Super's nowhere to be found. Or at least not in this room, at least. Go back to the doorman, see what's up.
Yo. He's not in the office. I knocked on his door. He didn't answer.
Let's open it. Go in there.
I'm not gonna just open somebody's office
Hey,
door.
Biggie Wilder.
Inside there.
But how come you don't answer if I knock?
I don't know. Come. Let's see.
I'm not just walking inside somebody's
Sign
office.
ticket? How did you sign? Yeah, come check.
No, he's checking again. I'm not mad at that. But I know everything's good right now. He knows everything's good
So the
right
first,
now.
That first ring was the pressure control. That was the first ring. Second ring was the lower the cutoff. You know we're good people, man. You know what I mean?
No problems, man. Everybody happy.
I like to make everybody happy.
There you go.
Thank you, brother.
Oh, I bet that super didn't know that the bomb closed. But I'm not mad at that. I did my job. I got that boiler starter, baby. Baller 2, that is. It's all good. It's alright. You gotta do what you gotta do. Next time I'll just be on top of my toes. If there is a next time. Thank you for subscribing.